Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel INFOOPS. In today's video we will learn and see how to download Intel Unison in Windows 10. As you all know that Intel Unison is not supported in Windows 10, that's why you are all here. So without wasting any time, let's get started. But before starting the video, quickly pause the video and subscribe to my channel below so that you won't miss any future updates regarding the video. So let's start the video. To install the Intel Unison in Windows 10, first we need to copy the link from Microsoft Store for Intel Unison. I will mention the link in the description below. You can copy the link from there also. After that, you need to visit this website called store.rg. I will also mention this link in the description box. You can open the website from that link only. And you need to paste the URL here in the URL caption which you have copied before and enter the. And after that, you have to wait for a few seconds. And some file will upload. Then you need to select that M6 bundle, the second one. Yeah. You need to give the permission to download this. And now we are going to download the file extractor software, that is 7-zip we are using in this video. First we will download the 7-zip software and we will extract the files using this software. Now it is installed. Now you have to go to your downloads folder and right click on the document you have downloaded before and select 7-zip and extract to this folder. Right. After you need to open that folder and look for web phone packaging, and you need to extract that folder also with same process. Now you need to open the phone packaging folder and find AppxManifest and open that with Notepad. We need to do some changes in the XML file. Open with Notepad. First let me maximize it. And you need to change the minimum version of the Windows here in this line. And we will search about PC. And from this we will copy the build OS number. As you can see in the video, we will copy this number. Even we will change this number here. Now save this file. Once done, you need to minimize it or close it, whatever you want to do. Once done, you need to open the settings and turn on the developer mode. I'll show you how to do it. Go to settings, then go to Windows Update, top right corner, and here you can see for developers on the left hand side, second last option. Yeah. And after that you need to toggle on that developer mode button. And you need to give the permission here. You need to say yes. Now you need to go to that folder again and delete 4 files: app metadata, content types, and apps block map, and as app signature. You need to delete this 4 file. Now you have to go to the file option above the top left corner, open Microsoft Power and open as administrator. Now you have to run a command here. I will mention the command in the description box below, and you can also pause the video and copy the command from here only. Once you will run the command here, it will start deploying the app. Once the cursor move to the next line, your Intel Unison is installed. Now you can go to your search and type Intel Unison. Here you can see that Intel Unison is installed. Now you can install the software in your smartphone also and start using the software. That's it for this video. You can like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe to my channel below for more helpful videos like this. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video.